Firstly, a very big congratulations to Da Milano and the entire team. मैं हमेशा airports पे उनके outlets देखती हूँ, and whenever I'm waiting for a flight or whatever, I always find the time to browse around. And I think they have some really interesting bags, a lot of interesting silhouettes, lovely colors, and I love leather bags. So.
What Spanish do you
Sorry.
Just one second.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बूम नीचे रखो भाई. हाँ सर.
The faces
Yeah,
behind
so
the
we're
brand.
launching our new Spring 15 collection, and so Kiara is here, and we hope that this summer collection really, amplifies and boosts our sales and becomes a big hit. That's it.
Sure will.
Yeah.
What is fashion? What's the definition of fashion?
To me, it just is a way of expressing yourself and sort of wearing your mood on your, wearing your mood the way you feel the particular day. So that's what it is to me.
This is a summer collection, so any tip or suggestion you want to give out to all the viewers who are watching us?
What do you want me to say? Give them
Any
tips
or,
for
or
summer.
suggestions about for summer,
Since I'm here at a bag launch, I'm gonna say get some nice bright colored bags. It's one accessory which we women do not leave the house without. So definitely Da Milano has some very interesting bags, lovely colors. They're very durable as well because of the materials. So come and happy shopping this summer.
Tell us something about the bags.
So we've launched a lot of innovative silhouettes, and shapes are very interesting. They're all in vogue in European, and we are kind of a trendsetter in leather. And this summer we've launched all the colors and shades of blues and beige and burgundy, and summer colors, especially the summer colors like yellow and orange. So just to continue the legacy of Da Milano.
And how did Kiara become a part of this particular brand?
Well, we've been knowing, and we've been seeing her carrying Da Milano, and been a fan for. She's always been very much keen for handbags, and inclination towards handbags is quite high. So that's how.
Kiara, it's been long time we have seen you on the big screen.
Yes.
So what's going on in the pipeline?
It's still work in progress. I can't say anything because I'm being very patient till signing the next film. So as of now, we're still reading. There's talks are going on. As soon as it's concrete, you all will be the first to know.
Kiara, we ask you, what does women empowerment mean to you?
To me, I think it's just being equal to men, just being an equal citizen. I'm not a feminist. I don't believe in that. I think men and women should be equally treated. So that's what it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सर सामने देखिए
मैम से राइट साइड सर मेरे को मारने दो यार सर वन मोर राइट यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे मेरे को राइट साइड वेट ये राइट साइड सो एक क्या लास्ट मैम बोलो ये तो होने दे तो उसको लेने से पहले उन्हें आवाज दे
Okay, let's start.
Look at center of center. So wait.
Ah, very nice.
excuse me. Madam, look left to right slowly. मैम सेंटर एकदम सामने मेरा सामने हाँ अरे रुकना नहीं एक्सक्यूज मी बैकग्राउंड क्लियर वेटर क्लियर है एकदम सामने ये मैम सामने आते मैम क्लियर वेटर रुक वेट यहाँ पे मैम वेट ऑल मैम सामने मैम यहाँ मैम कियारा और हॉलिडे कियारा स्ट्रेट ये कियारा लेफ्ट कियारा सामने एकदम कियारा
Kiara here.
कियारा स्ट्रेट कियारा स्ट्रेट कियारा ये कियारा में भी आप कियारा ये कियारा वन ये कियारा ये कियारा ये कियारा मैम just one मैम कियारा
Thank you.
5th year this year, and we are launching our summer collection, and so the summer collect, and that's what Damilan is all about.
Tell us something about this particular.
Honestly, I believe that the one accessory we girls never leave our house without is a bag. So it's something that we also never can have enough of. And get my shoes away.
Ma'am, you're right. Ma'am. One more, एक बार वापस.
अच्छा अभी मैं फेक वॉकिंग करूँगी.
Look set up.
एक्चुअली आपने बुलाया था इसलिए आई हूँ. अंदर माहौल एक्चुअली वार्म अप हो रहा है. एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग डाउन टू हैविंग अ गुड टाइम. Everybody has a glass in their hands and there's a lot of